Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today we will explain about the Android application promotional website KeyApp.Top. The service helps developers to promote their Android and iOS app. Let's go deeper. First, create a free account to the KeyApp.Top. Then go to the dashboard. First, go to the My Apps section. Click on the Add New App button. Then put your app's bundle ID, select a country, click the add button. That's it. This way you can add your application. Then you have to go to My Keyword section. Here you have to first select the store. Then you have to select a application. Then you have to select the country. Here you can see I have already added many keywords for my application. You can add the keywords by click on the add my keyword button. Here you have to write a keyword, then press on the enter button, then you have to write another keyword. That's the procedure. Now your app is ready for the campaign. You have to go to my orders page. Then you have to click on the add new campaign button to create a campaign. Here you can see I have already running two campaigns. I am going to the add new campaigns. The procedure is same. Select the store, select the application, select country. Then you have to select the days, how many days you would like to campaign for your apps. Then you can select the keyword. I am selecting another keywords. Here you can see I have selected two keywords. I can put here how many install I would like to get for each test. Here also you can give the rating, give the reviews. How many reviews do you need? Just put here. From here you can add your own reviews, or you can add their common reviews by clicking on the add common buttons. That's it. Here you can see how much it will be cost for the campaign. Just click on the start promotion button to create the campaign and it will be started. The campaign will help to rank your apps for the following keywords. For the campaign you have to deposit money, right? You have to click on the add money section. Here you can see those are the payment method they accepted. You have to select any payment method and make the fund, deposit the fund. Here has another option of referral program. Just you have to use this link for your referral program. When a user will registration to this website with this referral link, you will get 10% of the from his payment for the lifetime. Mean you will get the 10% for the lifetime. Alright, here has a blog section. They regularly publish blogs in their website. You can read those blogs and get more information about app marketing. That's cool, right? Okay, I use this KeyApp.Top for my apps. It really helps me to improve my keyword ranks. Also, I love these my keyword tools. With these tools I can track my daily apps keyword ranking, and it's really essential when you will do app marketing, or you will want to make your apps visibility, improve your apps visibility, right? Okay, That's cool. Thanks for watching the video. That's it for today. Bye bye. Take care.